Welcome to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Please wear a helmet always and ride safe. Today we have an interesting update on Yamaha R15 V4 bike. So please watch our video without skipping to know all the details. Yamaha has certainly created a new entry-level segment by launching its Yamaha FZX, which has great looks with an all-new retro design. Soon after launching the Yamaha FZX in the country, the Indian subsidiary of Yamaha is now busy testing the R15 V4. Yamaha R15 is a go-to machine for everyone seeking an entry-level sports bike, especially for youth. The motorcycle is currently in its third generation now and still remains an instant crowd puller. Hence, every time it is on the news, it creates a buzz in the market. In this instance, the news is as big as it can get for R15 fans. It appears that Yamaha has finally started testing the upcoming 4th generation R15 in India. The recent spy video was reportedly shot near New Delhi, in which a couple of test mules can be seen wrapped under full camouflage. Since both prototypes are in the move, it is difficult to get a hold of a clear image of its design. The fared superbike retains its upright tail section as well as the vertically oriented LED headlights with split pillion grab rails, acting as winglets flanked on both sides from the current generation R15 V3.0. The front face seems heavily revised and seems to draw inspiration from its elder sibling R7, which also received a major upgrade earlier this year. Unlike the dual LED headlamp setup of the current R15, the upcoming new Gen R15 will feature a single pot LED headlamp with integrated LED DRLs. We get to spot a riding posture that looks just as committed as the current R15, thanks to small clip-on handlebars and a higher seat with foot pegs positioned slightly towards the rear. The bike will continue to offer a split seat setup, while the pillion sits quite high due to a raised tail section. Most of the other features are expected to remain similar to the current model as well. The new generation R15 will continue to be powered by the same 155 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, which is paired with a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper and assist clutch as standard. This powertrain in its present state returns an output of 18.5 bhp and 14.1 nanometers of peak torque. Output figures are unlikely to change in the upcoming model. This engine gets variable valve actuation, VVA, which optimizes power delivery throughout the rev range. As for cycle parts, we do hope Yamaha provides the new generation R15 with USD forks at the front just like the current international spec model. However, the test models did not show signs of USD front forks, which could be a huge disappointment. More details are expected to come our way in the near future. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates.